My country people, how una dey? So actress Lizzy don't come out to come narrate to us wetin her papa do her. Say her papa dey ungrateful. No be from my mouth una go hear wetin she talk. Make her play the video, make you sef watch. Try.
Why do family members have entitlement mentality? Why? Normally, I always send my father money. I have his account number. So what I do at night, I send him money so that when he wakes up in the morning, he will see the amount of money that I've sent to him. I love surprises, so I always surprise my father. And trust me, whenever he wakes up in the morning and says whatever amount I've given to him, he will pray for me. He would say all kind of prayers like, my daughter, God will bless you, no evil from against you will prosper in Jesus' name. And trust me, I enjoy the prayers. It gingers me to want to do more. So on Easter Day, I'm talking about the Easter that just passed. My father sent me a message that, baby, how far now? Do Easter for your papa now. He sent me the message in the morning. I pretended like I did not see the message. So 2 a.m. in the night, I dropped huge amount of money in his account. You know that kind of a feeling like when you don't give your papa big money for your mind. You know, if you wake up, the kind of prayers where you go see go bubble you. So after sending him the money around 2 a.m., I slept off. I woke up only to check my phone to see thanks. Just thanks. No prayers, no nothing. I'm like, what's going on here? So I called my father. I said, Daddy, because I'm an Ishakiri girl, that's how we greet in the mornings. I said, my daughter, how are you? I said, Daddy, I'm not happy. I sent you money. This money I sent is 10 times bigger than all the money I've been sending to you. And all you could tell me is thanks, no prayers. He said, I prayed for you in my heart. Now I say, prayed for me in your heart. I'm like, Daddy, I don't pluck money from trees. I work tirelessly for my money. That prayers, I enjoy it. It gingers me to want to do more. This one that you did not pray for me. You just said things in your heart. You feel, after all, she's my daughter. I'm entitled to her money. So no need to pray. You prayed in your heart. Okay, next time I'll not surprise you again. Don't worry. I said, no, Naija got into that. I said, no problem now. Next time, Daddy, I will not surprise you. I will not surprise you.
If you have watched to this very moment, thank you so much for engaging. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I see you all and I don't take your love and support for granted. If this is your first time coming across this channel, you are welcome. If this is your first time subscribing, thank you so much. My name is Cindy Gist TV. On my channel, you can call me your army boyhead girl. Hello. I dey bring gist ogbonge news wey dey totori body, so please do well to like, comment, share my videos. They give me one kind encouragement to continue, and please don't forget to turn on that post notification button so whenever I drop tori like this, you'll be the first to be notified. See you guys on my next video.